Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can turn on the CC on Zoom, or to put it in other words, how you can enable captions for Zoom meetings. So to begin with, you have to go on the official Zoom website that can be found at zoom.us, then log into your Zoom account. After that, scroll the page down, then go for the account. At this little drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, you can either manually find the in-meeting advanced settings, which might be hard since there are a lot of configurations to go through until you find them. Or you can just use this little search tool, enter Captions, and just enable the automated captions toggle. Tap on the enable option over here, and from now on all the all the participants of your meetings will have this little icon which will allow them to enable captions during the Zoom call. Or you can also turn on the manual captions, and those captions, and the host will be able, as you can see, to type captions manually or assign a participant third-party service to add closed captions. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.